guys, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make use James's menu base or any menu base and make your own mod menu. So this is going to be one of a few part series tutorial on how to make one. So let's get started then. Right, so you're going to open up the file, which is, and then you're going to go to the solution one, DLL load, which is Visual Studio solution. You're going to open it up, double click it. So now it'll load with a blue screen and just wait for it to prepare and stuff. This might take a minute depending on how many times you've opened it. So on the right there's going to be DLL load thing, and you want to click it, and you want to click source files and dll.cpp, which is the main file which James's base uses for making a menu. So up the top there, it's just giving you a little bit of details that console deployments to the thing and the menu control. So and you got the includes, which is the stuff that should just be for making a basic patch for Xbox. And then next you've got all these, like it defines the send server command with the offsets, and then the SV, which is shortened thing. SV is shortened for server command. You can short it like and set model T, and we just done set model for shortening it. Same with others, like, and also it tells you what to do: client number, type, and then text. And with give player weapon, it's unassigned int ps, which I guess is client weapon index, which is a list of weapons, and then the camo that you want on it, and if it's akimbo or not. So true or false. And here we got the scrolls. This is all the HUD elements that I'm highlighting, and underneath it's the bools, which are variables, booleans. Oh, and I forgot to say for the HUD elements, the 18 represents what client. And now I'm just adding an int to show you how you could make a toggle system. So that one's using an int noclip equals 0, and the next one will be using a bool UFO equals false. And if you wanted to use a toggle, you would do in a option, you would do if UFO equals false, and then you'd put your code. And here we got the int entity, which is showing you they're just defining everything to use. Sorry. And what I've highlighted there is the MW2 all client button monitoring. So we got RS, LS, LT, RT, RB, etc., etc. And then underneath that you've got the HUD elements, which is LMX offset, text offsets, etc., etc., etc. And for switch to weapon, this is just an example of a void. You got the client, the weapon name, or you could have the weapon index. You could use it like that, or the switch to weapon client, and then or switch like to weapon, and then the weapon index. And then next you've got the del animals and the del text. So that means which ones, all the ones you've got up here under your defining. So you need to add that to every time. So when you move menus, it deletes for you. And the float location is your scroller. So between each distance, it's going to be the bottom on the return 97 add scroll, which is 21.555. start the menu. For semicolon semicolon is starting the loop, and the next thing is if in game and not locally, it'll start the mod. So sleep, so we can wait till all the clients have connected, and then under that is like removing the unlocalized text and any things you want. So when you spawn, you can have them like no full damage, laser, jump height, no recoil, and then hint I to catch eye the elms. So all the stuff there is what you've got at the top and in the del text. I just let the video catch up. Right, so here we go. We start in the button monitoring. If down, LT and RS, the menu will open and close. So if those two buttons are down, it'll open. So when it opens, just gonna give you a briefcase as a weapon. It's gonna set some icons like for backgrounds with the shaders, and then it's gonna set text, and it's gonna be menu open. If it's not open, it's gonna give you a AK, and it's gonna delete all the elms, and it's gonna be menu open equals false. Right, so now if menu open equals I, that's the start of the menu open. If down and RB, it's going to scroll down, and it's going to freeze. If it's LB, it's going to scroll up, minus minus equals up. And if R down and RS, that means it will go back to the main menu, so menu type equals 1. If the, oh, sorry, fuck. If menu doesn't equal to 1, then it's going to go back to main menu, which is the same. And now freeze equals 0, switch menu type high. If main menu, because there's 4 options in the main menu, if it equals 5, it will go to option 1, which is game settings. And then the same for the rest, but if the game settings equals 5, then it will go to 6 or whatever. I couldn't really read that fast enough. And then what it's doing is setting the icon, the scroller for with the color, which is 255, 255, 255 for each menu. So you want that the same for everything. That's gonna. So you want to set it for the set icon on each sub menu. Otherwise, it will change colors at different times, which is weird. So that's what I just highlighted is sub menu 1. There's 4 of them, as you can see. So if type equals 2, it will be menu sub menu 1 because there's a main menu which is menu type 1. Okay. Oh, and you can change the so they're all the same width and stuff, because I find that 200's horrible. Right, so I'm just going to give you an example of setting an icon, because you might not get it. So set icon, element address, what you've written up the top, so you could add them, but the shader, and in the little box you're going to put I, so only when I, because I opens the menu, and it's the width, height, which is going to be 800,